Hey, how's you going, boys? Welcome back to Grampie's Workshop. Mike here. It's always nice when you drop into the shop. Thanks. Today the job is a little bit of maintenance on my Massey Ferguson GC2300 subcompact red tractor. Yeah, the seat in my tractor, it's almost impossible to make adjustments to slide the seat back and forth. You know, there's a little button under the side of them and you pull it up and you can slide the seat back and forth. Well, my seat's pretty well stuck where it is. So I want to find out what's going on with that. So that's what the project is today. We're going to take the seat apart, grease her all up, see if I can get that adjustment to work better. So to start with the grease the seat adjustment, I'm going to take that clip out of there. Then this pin should slide out. And then I can take my seat away. Except there's a wire on it. So I want to take this whole seat mechanism out of here, or I think I do. Well, maybe not. Maybe just with the seat off, I'll be able to get some good lubrication on here and here and help that seat adjustment. So I'm going to try my dry lube with Teflon again. I don't like the way that that's working out. I'm not getting the lube in there just quite the way I want, so I am going to take the seat off. I've got my own wiring stuffed through holes in it here. There. Now we'll take this over to the bench. Okay, now that it's over here on the bench, do a little cleaning. By the way, I'm using Dawn Power Wash here today to clean with, and I must say, it works great. It even smells nice. So I'm just going to clean this up, and then we'll come back and see about how we're going to grease it. Okay, then I'm going to try and grease this. Of course, I'm going to use my crazy grease again. Going to put some on the rails here where I can see that they're wearing. We'll put grease on here and then we'll close this, and then we can put some grease on here. And on this side. Put a little more on here again. I'm impressed how that Dawn cuts right through that grease, man. Alright, we're going to tighten these up here. This little cross member at the back. And then the seat will sit down in here, and we'll try to get these bolts to line up. So we get those bolts in and we tighten them up a little. Then we can stick our electrical wire back in here. Alright, now we just have to put our seat back in. So the seat sits in here. And then there's a pin that goes through the front here. Do some jigging here to get her to line up, I think. There you go. You didn't see that, but I had to tip it up to get the little retainer clip put back in place. Ain't that sweet now? It's nice to be able to adjust that seat, although I never adjust it. It's like a government job, right? Take something that doesn't work, fix it so it does work, but you never use it anyways. Yeah, that's a government job. I could get a government grant for doing work like that. I'm sure I could. Anyways, hope you liked the video. Another little maintenance video on my tractor. It's fun doing maintenance. Anyways, appreciate you watching. Hey, if you're new to the channel, welcome. Thanks a lot for dropping by. I sure hope you come back often, and I hope you like the video. And you can give me a thumbs up if you like. And for my regular viewers, thank you too for dropping by. It's so nice that you take some time out of your day to watch my videos. And I hope you all have a great week. I hope you have fun with your family and you're enjoying the summer. We'll talk to you.